Are you thinking about starting an embroidery business but not sure how to start? If you've done any research, you might feel overwhelmed by the endless amount of embroidery supplies. The reality is you only need the essentials. Let's start with the most important one. Embroidery machines vary in price and can come with different bells and whistles. Before making a purchase, you'll need to determine what features you might need for your business. We all want to get the most out of our money, and while the machine itself might be your largest investment cost, don't cheap out. It's important to keep in mind that it is the heart of your business and the most essential element of your success. But if you want to do machine embroidery, you'll need more than just an embroidery machine. Fortunately, when it comes to embroidery supplies, you really don't need all that much to get started, and a lot of it comes with the purchase of your machine. Embroidery needles are crucial when it comes to embroidery. Simply put, you can't sew without them. There are factors to consider when choosing the right embroidery needles, like fabric type, thread type, and embroidery design. Embroidery thread is important to the production and design because it's what makes your designs come to life. Not all thread is created equal. An investment in high-quality thread is an investment in your business. The bobbin is a critical component in embroidery and half of the equation for the perfect stitch. Most machines come with bobbins, and it's important to refer to your machine's manual when purchasing extra. Proper support from stabilizers and backings is the foundation of excellent embroidery. When selecting a stabilizer, consider factors such as fabric, if the project will be hooped, and the desired results. Embroidery hoops are a key factor for combating movement and stretch of a design. While embroidery hoops usually come with the purchase of a machine, investing in different shapes and sizes can keep you ahead of the game. Later on, you can shop for attachments that will offer you even more ways to impress your customers. Thread nippers provide quick access to trim off thread tails or jump cuts. Tailored for more precise cutting during the embroidery process will help you along the way. Marking tools are vital for positioning and aligning designs on the fabric and can easily be brushed or washed away. Machine oils and lubricants are crucial for reducing friction, preventing rust, and extending the lifespan of your equipment. Embroidery software can help take your business to the next level by allowing you to create, refine, and perfect designs before they're stitched out. A seam ripper is an ideal tool for removing mistakes and opening fabrics up for easier accessibility. The all-in-one hooper makes your life easier. There are two challenges you face with embroidery. One is determining where to place the hoop, and the other is making sure every garment has the same placement. The all-in-one hooper was invented to help you erase these frustrations. Tweezers provide the dexterity needed to grab, snip, or remove misplaced threads. A needle threading tool can save you time and sanity by making the threading process simple and quick. If you're on the fence about starting an embroidery business and have questions, contact ColDesi. Get your business off the ground with quality commercial embroidery machines, supplies, and more. Understanding the essential embroidery supplies you'll need to start your business is the first step to getting you on your way to creating beautiful, professional quality embroidery projects. Happy stitching!